Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new group in the Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the chats option down below on the left side corner of the screen. Then tap on new group down below. Here you can add members by using the search bar at the top. You can type in either their name or their phone number, but you can also skip this step by clicking on the skip button in the upper right corner of the screen. Now you can type in the name of your group. Here you can set disappearing messages, so when enabled, new messages sent and received in this chat will disappear after they have been seen. Here you can set the time period, then click on create at the top of the screen, thereby creating your group. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.